Today I'm taking a look at the KEFEYA S5 triple screen extender. Alright, so this does come with a pouch. It also has a Velcro pouch on the front, so you got a spot where you can stick all your cables. And here is the extender. So you can see we got a spot on the back. This is going to be where your power supply sticks. So this unit actually does come with a power brick. It does have USB-A, USB-C, and our power button there on the top. What's neat about that is that you can use this to power the extender so that you're not going to be using extra power from your laptop, or if you're out in the middle of nowhere but you desperately need to charge your phone, you can actually do that right here with this. So very handy thing to have in your kit. This does have a little puck on here. This is magnetic, so it will stick. And we can see we got 4 contacts on there. That will made up with the 4 contacts on there so that we are supplying power to it. We don't have to plug anything in. Basically, we just drop that thing on and the extender has power. Looks like we can pick up that kickstand with it still on. We have a power and analog switch right here. We have a power port right here if we want to use that to power the extender, and we can see that is a USB-C port. On the other side, we have 2 more USB-C ports, and that is going to be for each monitor. So let's go ahead and power this guy on. So that does come with 77% charge. And if we flip that over, we have a nice carbon fiber look on those monitors. And that does extend to accommodate different size laptops. We do have some clips right here so that we can attach that directly to the monitor. It's not really going to hold itself up as much as it's just going to make sure that everything is properly aligned. And we can see that we do have fairly large displays on here. This is a full 15-inch display. Measure that to make sure, and we are looking at just a little over 15 inches. So if you're like me and you like having larger monitors, this is going to be the one to get. Plus the fact that these are larger monitors and it's got its own power supply in the back, meaning you're not going to lose any performance on your laptop. That is really just a big bonus. We do have our instructions. We also have a quick start guide. We've got 2 USB-C to USB-C cables, and these are the ones that I like because they have that little 90-degree angle there on the end. So that means that we can plug that into the side of our laptop. We don't have to worry about losing real estate for our mouse. If your laptop has USB-C ports to supply full video out, then you'll be able to use this just with this one cable per display. But we also have a USB-C to HDMI. We'll be able to plug this into the extender, this into your laptop in the event that you do not even have a USB-C port on your laptop. We also have our H5T cable. So this is a USB-C to USB-C. But that is also a USB-A, so very handy cable to have. And then last up we have our power cable. So this is USB-C to USB-A. We can use this to plug into a power supply, so if we do want to use that HDMI cable, we are going to have to supply power. So this will just be for supplying video output. So very nice that they gave us all these different options for connecting to our laptop. So I got my USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm going to plug one of them into Type-C 1, and the other one I'm going to plug into Type-C 2. So this is a 17-inch laptop. Okay, and that does hold it up. So I've got the kickstand actually all the way up, and the hinge on the laptop is actually strong enough to hold everything in place. So there is Type-C 1. All right, so that is powering both of them. Okay, so that is our right display, and Type-C 2. And there is the left display. So we can see this one is extending, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to display settings. And I'm going to extend on 1 and 2. There we go. So now I can take this window, I can drag it to the right, I can drag it to the left, I can throw whatever I want onto whichever monitor. And there we go. I can edit videos over here, I can watch videos over there, I can have my communication over here. I can even use this monitor as a monitor for this program that I'm editing. There's a lot of possibilities with 3 monitors. I usually do a 2-monitor setup, but 3 is just that much better. They're very sharp, they're very clean looking, they got very good color reproduction. Overall, that is an excellent extender kit.